Good evening, friends. This is CA Sarup Ghosh once again from Stock Show Deck. On Friday, that is the last day, that is yesterday, Nifty immediately, within 30 minutes had given a very big fall, because Nifty was destined to break. And I would like to show you how even our simple setup has generated money. Now, if we look at Nifty from 12th of August 230 to basically 14th of August 1 o'clock, Nifty actually moved in a very narrow range. You can see the band. It's a very narrow range, and this is the narrow range where no trade is recommended. So why this is a narrow range? Because there is a fight between bulls and bears, like we normally see in a tug of war. And our setup also has moved in a flat manner parallel to x-axis. So what happened at 1 o'clock? So before 1 o'clock, our setup has actually alerted us that Nifty is going to change. Why? We have got a black dots here, black circle, which actually has given us an alert, and followed by a open high, same candle. Once we have this, and our students actually was alerted about the changes that was coming up, and that time we got a beautiful diamond candle, and all the lines as per our setup came down, sloping down. That blue line, blue line was down, followed by black line and the red line. That was a bingo trade, and 1 2 3 4 candles actually washed out 7 days gain in Nifty. So basically here, if once you have got an alert at about 12:30, our students actually entered into a trade at this particular candle at about 11,318. So let's say it is 11,300 if you have entered, and if you have actually exited at this level, not even at this level, then you would have, here it is just 150 points down. So therefore, in a 1 hour trend, for a 4-15 minutes candle, how much money we have minted from one lot of Nifty into 150 points? We cannot think beyond this. 11,250 rupees was pocketed, and not only that, Nifty fall was so steep that it was irresistible. And our students, they don't bother about other things other than our signals. The signal was so perfectly generated in the live market that it is an unmissable trade. So this is the power of stock show setup. I will also show you one more setup where actually we have alerted our students that Voltas was on bull trap. So you see, the Voltas it is a daily chart of Voltas. So on this particular day, that is 13th of August, on this particular day, that is 13th of August, we said Nifty, this Voltas stock was on bull trap. We have a reason to do so, and we measured with our technique. So even if you do not know bull trap, so how we could have traded? We have actually saw that it was a very, very stiff resistance line. So whenever Voltas approached this resistance line on day chart, it reacted. it reacted and it has given a black candle to calm down very fast. Now I will show you how it has actually behaved intraday and how our students using our setup actually have taken a trade. So if you look at our setup, Voltas was initially, what we have seen, that Voltas was actually going up. This is higher top, higher bottom. Voltas was actually going up. So therefore we alerted that yes, it is going up, but there could be a halt because there could be a bull trap. So on this particular day, on Saturday, on Friday, how did we trade? So we knew that it could be a trap. So therefore we were very cautious when the stock actually started moving up from our signal from here to here, right? So on 14th of August we got a X candle. This is a 5 minutes chart. We got a X candle, that is a buy signal, and then followed by a diamond signal. You could have made an entry at about 620 rupees, and for a trade of this bull for 623, the 620 to 23, 1000 rupees lot. So you could have taken a 3000 rupees money very quickly, but our students knew that it is not advisable to buy at a place where the resistance could be very stiff. So we knew what was the bull trap. So we were waiting for this particular trade, that if the bull trap works, then there will be a stiff fall in this particular stock, and that is exactly what has happened. We alerted our students, so therefore they have actually taken a trade at this level, very this level. Why it is this level? Because we knew this is the trap line, and we have got, our setup has generated a black candle, and it's a big candle which is a very good thing to happen and top, and therefore the market was destined to go down so far as Voltas is concerned. So Voltas actually at that time, from 631, it has actually reversed, and then in 15 minutes 1 2 3 bar of 5 minutes, there was a very swift reaction from Voltas. It has come down from 623 to as low as 603, and the lot size is 1000. You could have easily earned 20 points here, because you knew in the back of your mind that Voltas will be reacting from bull trap line. So 20,000 in 15 minutes is a child's play, and thereafter you leave the trade. So therefore lot of our students had minted money from one particular trade. This is the power of stock show setup. Now we have also developed one more key thing in our trading tools. That's, we all know that RSI is very important element in stock. So therefore, if this is a kind of one indicator that we have developed, where you can see grandfather, father and son in one particular single indicator. So even if you are in intraday, you can trade very easily. Once you know this is a line, in between this line, this pink line is my monthly line. That is, this as monthly RSI is this pink line is monthly RSI. It is sideways. So, and then the green was weekly is rising. That means it is, grandfather was weak, father was trying to go up, and of course Voltas was very bullish, because it is, sun is above 60. So therefore you can always, that is the reason. In fact, the stock has gone up. If you look at monthly chart, Voltas monthly sideways, weekly is about 60, but then on daily it was above 60. So on this particular day it was above 60. So therefore, it was a bingo trade. We knew it was a higher top higher bottom, so it is going to go up, but we also knew that from where the stock would be reversing, and that's the reason with this kind of prior information, trading becomes so easy. And one more indicator in the live market, which is a must have for everybody, is the scanner. So our scanner generated at this particular level at 15 hours, that is before the close of the market. The supply is a stock which has to be bought, it cannot be missed. And why it cannot be missed? Because this particular indicator, this is a custom multi-frame scanner, which says that this is a super bullish stock. You have seen the background color is green, which means that it is a super bullish stock. My grandfather is above 60, grandfather is very strong, father is very strong. If you look at Cipla, what is by grandfather and father I mean, you will be able to understand. Yeah, this is the Cipla stock. So monthly RSI is above 60, weekly RSI is above 60, daily RSI is above 60. Therefore father, grandfather and son all are green. So automatically you don't have to go anywhere. In one indicator you will understand that whether I should buy in the stock. Would you like to sell the stock first and then buy later? No. Why? Because we do not want to go against the trend. So if all the three parameters are bullish, I have no reason to really short the stock. And that is where when our X candle has been generated, Cipla, it could be a buy today, sell tomorrow stock. And I'm hopeful that on Monday when the market opens, either it will be going up, you will have a gap up opening, and it is a bullish thing, because our setup also, this blue and black line is together. And of course this is not the point how or where I am going to enter. We will be entering according to our setup, but this is a beautiful candle, the beautiful setup and alert that has been generated in 15 minutes. Now if we do not want to see 15 minutes, we would like to see on one day time frame what all of the stocks that are available for trading, because the day higher for time frame always works in the market. So if you go to higher time frame, you will get a stock, and you might not get a stock, I don't know. So therefore the system has to generate. Yes, it has now generated that Bank of Baroda is your stock and PNB is your stock. Let us see how Bank of Baroda behaves here. Is it buy? Is it sell? And in mind it, Bank of Baroda is this scanner has come in a one day time frame, which means Bank of Baroda is really, you see the blue and the black is actually now going back. So after a steep downtrend, if we get this kind of stock, if you get this kind of scanner, trading becomes that much easier. So when it crosses our red line, it is absolutely going to be a rocket. This is absolutely going to be a rocket, provided Bank Nifty supports, because Bank Nifty, if it does not support, Bank of Baroda alone cannot do. See, similarly if you look at PNB, I am sure the system has generated the similar kind of signal. Yes, it is, because in PNB, you see, it's a long downtrend. After a long downtrend, if we get a reversal, PNB is better than Bank of Baroda in the sense that it has already crossed our red line. So therefore on Monday, what we would like to see? Monday we would like to see that we have either a gap up opening or these two lines convincingly cross, because we want the blue line above, then followed by black line, and then red line will be below when we are going to buy. That means we will wait for another 2-3 candles to make it happen. But in all the time frame, as I said, this kind of scanner which actually we use, it is so weak stock that it is monthly it is bearish, weekly bearish, and daily sideways. So therefore this is not a stock. Even if the signal we get from here, I would like to sell. I would not go, because the father, grandfather and son, grandfather and father both are weak, so therefore son cannot be bullish. So therefore this is a stock I would like to sell. I would like to sell when it goes up. So therefore if the market goes up to this level, instead of taking a buy call, I will take a sell call. This is how we teach to our students. So if you want to part of our family, then please go through all the videos and see whether you can find some value or not. And if you find some value, you can always join us, and you can also contact me in the given number, so that you make your life and financial freedom secure. Because in this lockdown and the economic recession, this is the only area where people can really have financial freedom, and with some technical knowledge and some kind of computer assisted techniques, making money is very easy, and it is lot risky, because it is not at all risky. Without knowledge, yes, of course, your money can be jeopardized. As I said, the stock like Voltas and other things, you can easily, even if you do not have deep knowledge, our system will take care of it. So thank you very much. This is CA Swarup Ghosh signing off. Bye bye, take care and be safe. Happy Independence Day.